drifting everything you shouldn't. Leave a comment what car you would like to see. Drift cars optimistically should have big steering angle, lots of power, lots of grip, a 50-50 weight distribution. Here is a good example of a proper drift car. Let's start. A Barth 595 SS. Although this car has been tuned to double the original horsepower, it still lacks the kick. And when you finally get the rear end loose, you'll probably spin out due to the lack of steering angle. And you will probably break something. In the process, 3 points out of 10. 600cc crossguard. With its engine taken from a Yamaha R6, it has plenty of power for drifting. Seems pretty good. You can see the front tires lifting off the ground, due to a very soft suspension setup and limited travel. Overall, it's surprisingly good for drifting. Eight points out of 10. Porsche 718 Boxster. With 350 horsepower, it certainly can drift. But it has a very limited steering angle. Has potential, but you can't drift wide lines and big angles with this Porsche. 7 points out of 10. Last car for this episode, the KTM X-Battle. You just know that the car was never meant to drift. It's a track car after all. Although it has a good weight distribution and 300 horsepower, it can't hold a drift. This is also the effect of a very limited steering angle, but it's a perfect track toy. Bonus points for the visible suspension setup. Overall 4 points out of 10. Stay tuned for the next episode.